Hey, what's up and welcome back to the shop. We're on day 5 of our paint and body prep. We got all of the epoxy primer on the shell itself, and now we have to turn our attention to all of the bolt-ons. So we have the hood, the cowl, both fenders, both doors, the hatch, the filler panels for the front and rear bumpers, and the forward lower valence areas where the turn signals go on the earlier models. They're just all blocked in on the 280Z. So we're going to take care of all those panels today. We're going to strip them all down to bare metal, hopefully, and the first step we have to do is getting rid of all the decals and like door handles and things like that. So we're gonna get busy doing all that, and then we'll start the stripping process all over again with all of that stuff. So let's go. What are you waiting for? Stop watching YouTube, get out in your garage, go build something amazing. You have no excuses. If I'm doing it and you're watching me do it, why don't you get out in your garage and do something amazing as well? If you like this stuff, please click thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're gonna go to the trouble of subscribing, turn on your bell notifications. That way you get notified just as soon as I get around to posting another amazing video. I appreciate it as always, and until next time, thanks for watching this one.